It's so weird. My camera should so clear you can see all the dirt that's running out. It's like a giant floor. Dad, it comes down, and then up that way.
Raindrops, I think there are.
More than there are people. Probably like 30 seconds of this kind of rain drops like as twice as many raindrops as people. I got that on film. Yeah, it was. Dad, you didn't see the bolt? It almost hit the ground back there. I probably had that on film now. Hey. What's wrong? The light just turned on? That light just turned on, didn't it?
No.
Yeah.
Been on.
What?
Been on.
Look at all the dirt still.
So we whacked all the grass that was growing across the driveway and the end of the driveway.
I just noticed that. Look at the Becks. How flooded their driveway is.
They got a pond. It's all the way around their mailbox.
Holy crap. That's like a half a foot of water there.